defense going. Everybody on the team. You see what defense going. Take that walk. That wall slide for me.
That's the fuck I'm talking about, nigga. Keep doing that shit, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck it, I'll go out here. Oh hell no, I ain't going front line. Yeah. That's it. What'd you say? Oh.
At night get road rage, I throw it in track and then I smash the gas. Take this bitch to underground and tell her make it fast. I can't jump behind the whip.
YouTube, what's the word, man? We back with another video. I got some energy. You hear me? But no, though, we back with another video, y'all. And today we about to go get some stuff for our helmet, man. We is at the famous Menard. I got too much energy for y'all. Let me get the fuck. For one, we need some spray paint. Then we need, like, I was watching this video. This dude, he said grab some, like, prep all. And then we also need Brillo pad. And then we also need some sandpaper. So, yeah, that's what we about to get into in this video, y'all. We're finna go ahead and get that started. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Bandman.yT. I make football content as well as car content. So, if you like that, stay tuned. But, yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second because I don't know if they want me to record it here. So, all right, y'all, we got everything we need. We got sandpaper, we want 150. Then we got some Brillo pads, and we also got this apple red spray paint. So I'm gonna see y'all back in the car. All right, y'all, we back in the car, and now we on the way to the slot, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, that shit just cost me $15. Y'all think that was too much? I ain't gonna lie. Y'all drop in the comments, do y'all be paying attention to how much stuff be costing and stuff? I ain't gonna lie, I got a habit of like not really caring how much stuff be costing. I just be buying stuff. I gotta stop doing that. I ain't gonna lie, I just be buying stuff. I don't really be caring how much it costs for real, but I ain't gonna lie. Y'all remember this song though? This used to be my I ain't gonna lie. I've been on the money saving spree. I ain't gonna lie, I'm proud of myself. I done saved up a couple bucks. You understand what I'm saying? We done put a couple bucks up for a rainy day. You understand me? Hey, no, though, on some real stuff though, like you gotta put some bucks up for a rainy day. No, though, I'ma get at y'all when I get to the crib and I get started on breaking this helmet down so we can get this paint on there. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all in
3 weeks later.
Alright, y'all, so pretty much what I did was I started immediately sanding the helmet down. I didn't even take the face mask off. I was really trying to get this old decal off of my helmet. Like, it's like the decal was just super sticky, so like it didn't come off, y'all. I couldn't get it off, but I sanded it down. Now, as you can see here, I did take the face mask off at this point, and I had put plastic inside the helmet to like protect the padding from getting the red spray paint on. And then I also did cover up the little holes and stuff with tape. I didn't show y'all that, but then I did go ahead and sand the face mask down. I also did use the Brillo pad as well. Hey, y'all, I don't know, man. I mean, it's all right. You know what I'm saying? It ain't too crazy or nothing. It'll do, though. You feel me? It'll do. You know, the white kind of throwing me off a little bit, but it'll do, though. We'll be all right. But now to practice.
Defense going. Everybody on the team. You see what defense going. Take that walk. That wall slide for me. Six lines.
Damn.
No, I missed that bit.
Sorry.
Yo, I was watching Devil May Cry on Netflix, G.
Yeah.
They put that scene in there. That shit was so funny. It was fighting. Motherfucker said, "Lori, okay."
Yup, go on ahead. Yup. No, look, y'all ain't got. Yeah, look. They gotta work. Look, tell them again, Larry, they gotta work. Hey, you better be on your P's and Q's all times, baby. You know how to fucking get.
I know it.
Oh, there, it's there, bro. That shit, that's the fuck I'm talking about, nigga. Keep doing that shit, bro. Ooh! Come on, man. Come on. 2 in a row. Keep it on, boy. Come on. I swear to God, that's a catch, boy.
That bitch hit the ground.
That was not. That's a catch. That's a catch. Scrub ass nigga, you should have picked it. Yeah, you should have. Oh! Oh!
Dang, Troy. I'm going this way. If you make that way,
Fuck!
I know, I got you. Good, we locked in. Let's get there.
I ain't break these bitches in yet, so my feet hurting.
You got insoles?
Hell no. You and Malik got custom insoles? The Victory?
I ain't get them, but I'm getting those.
I want to try them bitches, I ain't gonna lie. They say it return energy and shit, bro. Yeah, I'm finna try them bitches out. I think you got a cross, bro. You might want to ask.
Speed on.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Fuck it, I'll go out here. Oh hell no, I ain't going front line. Oh bro, I'm not front line with this shit.
Hey, stop it, bitches. So I'm talking about. I said,
What that shit? What'd you say? Oh. I'm clipping that. Y'all need some people to rush?
Hey, soon as I see your body jump, I'm on. Oh, that shit in the side. Y'all ain't got nobody on the line. I'll come on this side. Oh, DT side.
I want DT on, bro. I want DT. No. Watch out. Let me get DT first. Let me get DT first. I've been waiting to try my swim move out. Yeah. I want DT though. I want DT. It's cool. I'm gonna come to him next. I'm gonna come to T-Belly Man next. That's what I'm saying. Well, he was just out here. What happened?
Make sure that camera on.
It's on. It's rolling. Look, I've been working at it. Come on now. Am I supposed to like this or like, I don't know, shit, goddammit. Oh! Hey, I almost got in that bitch. Oh, I'm coming your way, DT. Hey, that's how you supposed to block for your brother, oh bro. He had your backside. I was trying to cut right through that motherfucker. Yeah, let me get right here. Let me get right here. Yeah, let me get. I'm on him.
I'm gonna clear it out for you.
Nah, fuck that. No, fuck. What the fuck, boy? Come on, we finna get his. Fuck, we finna double team his ass. I'm coming right at you. I'm going right at you. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Hey! I ain't gonna lie, that was just fun as hell. Hey, Kenny! Hey, we hungry over here, you hear me? Let's go, Kenny. Let's go, Kenny. Let's go, Kenny. Yo. Yeah. I just finished running a mile and whew,